What challenges do people leaving Scientology face? What challenges do people face when they leave Scientology? This question opens up a complex world of personal experiences. To understand these challenges, we can look at the teachings of Scientology and how they shape the lives of those who decide to leave. Scientology promotes the idea that individuals have a spiritual essence and that personal growth is achieved through its courses and practices. When someone leaves, it can feel like a rejection of the support and guidance that Scientology offers. This can lead to a sense of loss for many. One significant challenge is social isolation. Within Scientology, members are encouraged to build strong relationships with one another. When a person departs, they often find that friends and acquaintances are instructed to cut ties. This practice, known as disconnection, is meant to protect the group from negative influences. For those leaving, it can mean losing their entire social network, which can be incredibly difficult. Emotional challenges also play a big role. Many former members report feelings of loneliness and confusion after leaving. The sudden absence of community can be overwhelming. Some individuals even experience anxiety about being labeled a suppressive person, a term used by Scientology for those seen as harmful to the organization. This label can lead to further isolation and criticism from the group. Practical challenges are another hurdle. Many former members have invested considerable time and money in Scientology courses. Leaving means walking away from these investments and starting anew in both personal and professional aspects of life. Rebuilding relationships with family or friends outside the group can also be tough, especially if those connections were strained during their time in Scientology. From Scientology's viewpoint, the challenges faced by those who leave are often seen as the result of personal choices or misunderstandings. The organization believes its practices lead to happiness and success. However, for many former members, the experience of leaving is marked by hardship and the need to rebuild their lives. In early Scientology publications like The Problems of Work, the focus is on personal effectiveness and overcoming daily obstacles. While these teachings do not directly address the challenges of leaving, they emphasize personal responsibility and self-improvement. For someone transitioning out of Scientology, these ideas might serve as motivation to find new paths for growth. In summary, people leaving Scientology typically encounter social isolation, emotional distress, and practical difficulties. These challenges can make the transition to life outside the group quite tough, as they work to rebuild their lives and find new communities.